Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is really simple and quick. I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe blender to make yourself a nut-free spread. We're going to use a variety of seeds to make ourselves a seed butter. This seed butter is a great alternative to things like peanut butter, almond butter, and other nut butters. Great just on toast or on your savory sandwiches. You can even make them into really nice and healthy salad dressings. So here we have 2 cups of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of pepita seeds, a half a cup of sesame seeds, a 1/4 cup of golden flaxseed, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So the first step is to lightly toast all of our seeds just so that we can get the best out of them and so that our seed butter is full of flavor in the end. You can add all of your seeds to a large pan and lightly toast them over low heat, giving them a toss every now and then until they become fragrant. So these are nicely toasted now, and I'm going to add them straight into the stainless steel blender jug. If you don't have this one and you only have the plastic jug, then let the seeds cool right down before you start blending them up. I'm going to blend these up now, and I'm going to use the tamp to help push all of the seeds down into the blades and make all of the mixing much easier. Because the seeds are still really warm, I'm going to blend them on soup mode. If you're using the plastic jug with cold seeds, then you would use the nut mode. And I'm going to blend it for 2 minutes, and then I'll stop and scrape down under the blades. After you've scraped down under the blades, you can put the machine back on for 3 to 4 minutes until it turns into a really nice smooth paste. I find this works really well at low to medium speed. You can check the progress as you go and scrape under the blades and down the sides of the jug as necessary. So our seed butter is ready now, and the last thing that we need to do is just to add our salt for seasoning. We're going to start with a 1/4 teaspoon, and then we just blend it up, check the taste, and when we're happy with it, you can pour it into a sterilized jar and keep it in the fridge for a few weeks or in a cool, dark pantry. So you can see now just how easy it is to make your own seed butters with the Vibe blender. Make sure that it cools right down in the jar before you put the lid back on. You can store it in a cool place or in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. If you haven't seen our other nut butter videos, then check them out here on the YouTube channel or have a look at the recipes on our blog. If you want to see more of our Lavelli Life recipes and other ways to use your Lavelli appliances at home, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you again next time for another recipe.